If we are going to connect the pairs of points here, we could come up with a line segment. And in that line segment, there exists a midpoint. We know that midpoint is the point which divides the line segment into two equal parts. We can also get the coordinates of the midpoint for these specific pairs of points in this manner. The midpoint, which is also a point, therefore it's x and y, of the given points can be computed in this manner. You have your x is equal to the average of your x coordinates. In short, x sub 1 over x sub 2 over 2. As well as for y, it will be the average of the y coordinates, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So let's start solving the midpoint of the line segments connecting these pairs of points. So let's start with the midpoint of line segment AB. Again, it's xy, so we'll start with the x. X is the average of 2 points. And then again, it doesn't matter here which point is considered is your first or second point. You will just average them. Let's have A. So you have negative 2 plus you have negative 4 over 2. And for your y, simply average the y coordinates 3 plus 3 over 2. So you will have here x, which results from negative 6 over 2. That's actually negative 3. And for this side here, you will have 6 over 2. So your y is equal to 3. Therefore, the midpoint of the line segment AB connecting the points A and B is the point negative 3 and 3. Now let's continue in solving for the midpoint of the line segment CD with the same concern. X is the average of the x coordinates. You have negative 4, then you have plus 4 over 2. And then for your y here, you have negative 1 plus 5 over 2. So your x coordinate is 0 over 2, which gives us a value of 0. And for your y, that's actually 4 halves or 4 over 2, which gives us a value of 2. So the midpoint of the line segment CD connecting points C and D is at 0 and 2. And finally, for the line segment of your EF, okay, so your x here, you have 1 plus negative 6 over 2. And for your y, you have negative 3 plus 0 over 2. There are also some instances where your answer would be fraction. In this case, you have negative 5 halves. And for your y, you will have negative 3 halves. Stay as improper fraction. So you have here negative 5 halves and negative 3 halves as the midpoint of the line segment EF connecting the points E and F. So this is how we solve the midpoint of a line segment.